Hak jinglang penpa balap long hak ceranggeri tura hak kena kerkenai tarik jemang aja penriuk umintri yang ba kejelap Meghalaya Conrad ke sangma ulah pli penpa ya kebenta matamai jongka Southway Meghalaya Battalion NCC kalau penken ria sat ceranggeri tura hak ni program lap yang brom ya umintri rang ba lagi guard of honor jingya soi ya ka visitor book jingya odd ribbon jingya pli ya umau nongrim bat kecing tung di ki NCC cadet ru kilap penbernya daka prayer dance jinga sam jingtip jongki cadet barim jinga sam khusnam ki program culture paper
And I remember very distinctly, and all my siblings and others always remind me that my first reply was that I want to be in the army. That is what I grew up with, in the sense that was my goal. I'm talking about when I was 5, 6, 7 years old. Second, when I was a bit older, watching my late father and watching the kind of armed forces and police forces around him, I told my father I want to be a policeman. And he used to ask me why. And I told him that because your car is always in the second number, the police is always in front of you. They're always number one, because the pilot vehicle used to always move in front. So I said, you are always number two, I want to be number one. And of course, whenever there was a salami, my father used to get very upset with me. So I used to stand on the police side along with the police officials and give a salami to my father in uniform. I had a fake uniform, of course, which I bought from the market. And I actually used to wear that uniform and give the salami along with the other police personnel. Friends, it is adding value to the larger goal that we have as a state. I have always believed that our youth, they are exceptional. Our youth are second to none in this world. I don't say nation, I say world. And given the small push, given the right platform, given the different options, and given the necessary support, our youth can excel in any field, whether it's academics, whether it is sports, whether it is music, in any arena, in any area. Our children and our youth are second to none.
Time's up! Seaman! Und du hast mich gerade was ernst gehört! Aufgehen, nicht gleich! Halt ab!